Happy Golden Day. Hi Tess, Happy Golden Day. Ako na siguro ang pinakamasaya,
Sige na.
Ako na siguro ang pinakamasaya, pinakamasaya. Pwede ba akong mag-English? Kasi mas na-express ko yung sarili ko if I speak in English. Hindi kasi ako sanay magsalita sa camera eh. Camera shy ako eh. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana I will do anything for you, Tess. Kahit na anong sabihin mo, gagawin ko. Gusto mong sumayaw ako, sasayaw ako.
She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn girl, damn, she's a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. Damn, she's a sexy bitch. Damn girl, damn, she's a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. Damn, she's a sexy bitch. Damn girl. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry around when your arthritis is bad. Oh, all I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. So it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote.
Happy birthday, Tess! Happy
May you have many more birthdays
Kitchen
pa.
sink. Put you to bed when you've had too